In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your site's navigation menus in HubSpot. A clear navigation menu helps visitors find what they need fast, and in HubSpot, you can manage it all in one place. Let's start by opening your browser, heading to your preferred search engine, and typing HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website and log into your account. Make sure you're in the correct portal and that you have the permissions to edit website settings, since menus are part of your site's global content. Once you're in, look toward the top of the screen for the gear icon. That gear opens your settings. Click it to access the site-wide configuration area. In the left sidebar, find the section labeled Content. This is where HubSpot groups tools related to your website, like pages, themes, and of course, navigation. Inside Content, select Navigation Menus. You'll see a list of your existing menus, such as a primary header or a footer menu. Choose the one you want to update so you're editing the correct set of links that your template or theme is using. In the menu editor, you can add a new menu item. Click to add one, then give it a clear, concise label. Keep labels short. 1 to 2 words is ideal. For the link, you can point to a HubSpot page from your site, a blog listing, a specific post, or an external URL. If it's an external link, consider whether it should open in a new tab for a better user experience. You can also add placeholder items when you're planning structure first. Just remember to come back and update the link. Rearranging your items is as simple as dragging and dropping. Move items up or down to set the order you want visitors to see. To create dropdowns, drag an item slightly to the right under a parent item to nest it. This is great for grouping related pages, like resources under a main Learn menu. Aim for a logical structure, keep top-level items limited, and avoid burying important pages too deep. When everything looks right, click Save. Your changes will apply to any pages that reference this menu in your theme or header module. Give it a moment to propagate, then refresh a live page to confirm the updates. If you don't see changes immediately, clear your browser cache. That's it. Your HubSpot navigation is organized, up to date, and easier for visitors to use.